All right, what's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Ford Scott. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful, amazing week in the markets. I just want to share this video with you because we have some new tools that we're going to be releasing inside of our PET system, our perfect entry trading system. Now, of course, nothing is perfect in trading. Nothing is perfect in life, for that matter. Trading is risky, therefore the results will vary. But when you have the right education, you have the right support group, you have the right community of traders to help you along the way, when you have the right tools to make it even easier for you to find the right trade setups, therefore being on the right side of the trade at the right time, then you can find yourself winning much more than you're losing. What you're looking at right now is a setup on US30 from the perfect entry trading system. It may look like a lot, but we have a lot of components inside of the system. We have multiple templates inside of the system. We're always updating with more tools, more ways to help our team maximize their profits inside of the market. So what you're looking at right now is an automated, here we have an automated, this blue line was an automated flag pattern. And once we got the automated flag pattern here, you also have a blue arrow, is a gray arrow behind it. That was our entry arrow. And notice from that arrow, we went into profit based off of this blue pattern. Of course, it was going on a downtrend. It started to bounce in between this wedge, and then eventually it broke out of the wedge. It came back down to retest this lower trend channel. This is nothing but break of market structure, and then it went upwards into profit. How much profit? It went up about, just from here, it went up about 33,000 points in one day. This is all yesterday, from yesterday. We went up 3,000 points. We got an ultimate high, and from that ultimate high, it came down. And not only that, now you see our pink line that is basically outlining the lower channel, the trend channel, and the upward trend channel from the previous one high to another. And then when we got a break out of this trend channel, that is again break of market structure, notice the price skyrocketed down well over 5,000 points. This is well over 5,000 points to the downside. So this was literally 8,500 points in one day trading the US30, utilizing our perfect entry trading system. If you're unfamiliar, US30 is the top 30 companies in the United States, basically the outline of our United States economy. So right now, we're going on a huge downtrend. As you can see, this is a start of a huge fall. We may actually come all the way back down to this support level. So if you're not watching US30, if you're not watching the Dow, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, I highly suggest you pay close attention to it for the next 24 hours, maybe leading up all the way through next week, because we may continue on a downtrend from this point forward. But utilizing the system, you could have caught well over 8,500 points, which is 850 pips in one day trading the US30. Imagine catching 850 pips on US30 in one day. On a very small lot size, you could have made a lot of money. Now, of course, like I said, trading is risky, therefore results will vary. But when you have the right education, when you have the right team, the right support team, the right tools, the right and you have the right system that is going to help you, you will find your way getting inside of trades and out of trades at the right time. A lot of people are scared to trade US30 because it is very volatile. But if you have a tool like the perfect entry trading system, and you have our team like the Winner Circle team inside of our educational platform, you will find yourself trading with more confidence. Therefore, you can trade the Dirty 30, the US30. You can find yourself trading not just Forex pairs, but you can be trading indices. You can be trading gold, silver. You can be trading metals. You can be trading futures. You can even be trading stocks utilizing this system. This is the Hugo's Way account, but if I was to pull up Tesla, I could put Tesla on the chart. And instead of buying shares for Tesla, I can actually trade it on the foreign exchange market. So even if the value of the share goes down, which it looks like it's going to happen very, very soon, if the value does go down, we can catch the trade based off of what we see in the system. Notice here, we got a lot of sell signals coming in, so I can put a sell stop here. And if it does want to go down, it will activate my trade and put me in in the profit, directly in the profit, and I would probably take it down to maybe the 38.2, to 50, or the 61.8. We have an automatic fib that automatically draws out your retracement levels for you. The system is amazing. So if you want access to the system, you can pay a one-time fee, or you can join our team and you can meet the requirements. And once you join our team, you can get access to this amazing system for free. So get in contact with me. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on the latest videos that we put out. We're going to start putting out market structure videos, what to look for in the following days or following weeks, utilizing the system. We're going to be releasing some brand new tools, some education, and some key points on what to look for in the market. So subscribe to the channel, share the video with your team if you like, and get in contact with me. That way I can get you access to not only just our educational platform, I can get you access to our Winning Circle group and our perfect entry trading system. Hopefully you guys have an amazing 2020. Hopefully you're making the decision to join our team. Therefore, we can help you on this journey towards financial freedom. I'll see you guys in the next video.